Welcome to QuizRad, the best place for fun, interactive quizzes. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. From self-driving cars to AI-generated art, technology is evolving faster than ever. But how much do you really know about AI's history, uses, and ethical dilemmas? This quiz will put your knowledge to the test. You have 25 questions with 10 seconds per question. Let's see if you can outthink the machines. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to QuizRad in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Let's go! Which AI technology is commonly used for voice assistants like Siri and Alexa? Natural language processing, NLP, or computer vision? Natural language processing, NLP. Which industry benefits most from AI-driven automation? Farming without technology use, or healthcare? Healthcare. What is a key advantage of AI in data analysis? It can process vast amounts of data quickly, or it never makes mistakes. It can process vast amounts of data quickly. Did you know the first ever AI program was created in 1951 and was designed to play chess? Named the Manchester Baby, it wasn't very powerful by today's standards. It could only think 2 moves ahead. Now, AI like AlphaZero can defeat world champions by calculating 80,000 moves per second. Which AI-powered tool is used for generating human-like text? ChatGPT, or Photoshop? ChatGPT. Would you rather have an AI personal assistant that knows everything about you, or have an AI doctor that can diagnose any illness? This one's tricky. What would you do? Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content, and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. What is machine learning? A robot that follows only fixed instructions, or a type of AI that learns from data without explicit programming? A type of AI that learns from data without explicit programming. Can you guess this feature of AI? You guessed it, it's speech recognition. Which AI-powered innovation helps detect diseases in medical scans? Speech recognition, or computer vision? Computer vision. Which is a risk of AI development? Bias in algorithms, or it never requires human oversight? bias in algorithms? Which company is known for developing AI like ChatGPT? OpenAI or Tesla? OpenAI. Let's solve this riddle. I never sleep, yet I can stay awake forever. I do not breathe, yet I can control the air. I do not think, yet I can beat the smartest minds. What am I? A supercomputer. Would you rather live in a world with fully autonomous vehicles or live in a world with AI-generated art and music everywhere? Tough choice. What's your pick? Which AI application improves online shopping experiences? Manual product listings by employees? Or personalized recommendations? Personalized recommendations? What enables AI to recognize images? Deep learning or traditional programming? Deep learning. It's memory time. Remember the positions of these images. Okay, now tell me this image is on which number? Yes, you are right! Which AI tool helps self-driving cars detect obstacles? Text-to-speech processing or computer vision? Computer vision. How does AI improve customer service? By using chatbots and automated responses, or by replacing all human agents? By using chatbots and automated responses. Would you rather use AI to solve climate change or use AI to end world hunger? Which option did you choose? Comment down below. Can you guess the odd one out? Yes, you found it! Which AI concept allows machines to make decisions based on past experiences? Preset rules only. Or reinforcement learning? Reinforcement learning. Which sector is AI least commonly used in? AI is widely used across all industries. Or AI is only for tech companies. AI is widely used across all industries? Which AI-powered platform helps businesses analyze customer behavior? Google Analytics or Microsoft Word? Google Analytics. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. What is the biggest ethical concern of AI? AI becoming self-aware and taking over, or job displacement and bias? Job displacement and bias. Would you rather have AI predict your future decisions, or have AI control your daily schedule? This one's tricky. What would you do? Which AI-powered tool enhances security with facial recognition? Biometric AI systems or text editors? Biometric AI systems. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? AI can only perform tasks that it has been explicitly programmed to do. Yes, you are right, it's false. Modern AI can learn and adapt through machine learning. What is generative AI used for? Only making mathematical calculations, or creating text, images, and music? Creating text, images, and music. Which AI model is commonly used for language translation? Google Translate or Microsoft Excel? Google Translate. What is one of AI's major limitations today? It can think like a human, or it requires large amounts of data to function well. It requires large amounts of data to function well. Who would you kiss, marry, or kill? Let's hear your choices. Shawn Mendes, Noah Centineo, Harry Styles? What did you choose? Let us know in the comments. Would you rather work alongside AI in your job, or let AI completely take over your job? Tough choice. What's your pick? Quiz complete. Were you surprised by AI's capabilities? Share your favorite AI fact in the comments. For more deep dives into tech, science, and the future, subscribe and hit the bell. See you in the next one.